In this short video, we will visualize how the spherical coordinates rho, theta and phi look like in 3D space. Spherical coordinates are very important in solving triple integrals. Let's look at this point in 3D space. सबसे पहले हम रो की बात कर लेते हैं. रो is defined as the distance from origin और आप इसे 3D रेडियस भी समझ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट जब हम एग्जाम्पल्स सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि ये 3D सॉलिड्स का रेडियस होगा. नेक्स्ट थीटा इज मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस. और ये एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही है जैसे हमने पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स के केस में थीटा को देखा था. लेट्स लुक एट थीटा इन 2D स्पेस और इस बात को मेक श्योर करें कि आप थीटा को एग्जैक्टली पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस से स्टार्ट करेंगे और पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस की तरफ रोटेट करेंगे. The last coordinate is phi. It is the angle measured starting from the positive z-axis. Here, note that phi does not provide us a proper direction like theta. This means that same phi can be measured at different spots around the z-axis. For example, if phi is 30 degrees, then phi is also 30 degrees in this direction. In fact, all the points on this cone have the same phi value क्योंकि कोन के हर पॉइंट का z एक्सिस के साथ एंगल 30 डिग्री बनता है. Now let's look at the possible values of rho, theta and phi. The value of rho is greater than or equal to 0 because it represents the distance from origin, which is always positive. In this diagram, you can see what happens when rho fluctuate between 0 and 1. Next is theta. अगर हम थीटा को 0 से स्टार्ट करें तो हम इसे 360 डिग्री तक रोटेट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज वी हैव स्वेप्ट द थीटा इन अ कंप्लीट सर्कल. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा इज बिटवीन 0 एंड 2 पाई और 360 degrees. The last one is phi. If we start phi equal to 0 and increase it slowly, we can see this cone is almost blooming out of the z-axis and eventually it reaches at pi by 2. When the value of phi is pi by 2, then we have swept all the way down to the xy plane. And if we then continue to increase the value of phi, then we start to get this cone in the negative z-axis. And at the bottom here, we have swept all the 3D space. But note that the value of phi goes through 0 to pi, not 0 to 2 pi. So we say that the value of phi is in between 0 and pi. Now let's look at an example. Here I have defined a solid sphere of radius 1. Here we can say that the value of rho is between 0 and 1. Theta is in between 0 and 2 pi and phi is in between 0 and pi. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. दिस इज द पोर्शन ऑफ अ स्फीयर जो कि एक आइसक्रीम कोन जैसा नजर आ रहा है. इट्स रेडियस reaches out to 1 at the edge. So we say that rho is in between 0 and 1. For theta, if we rotate around the z-axis through 360 degrees, then the entire circle is present in the solid. So we say that the value of theta is in between 0 and 2 pi. Since this cone forms a 45-degree angle with the xy plane, so we say that phi starting with the positive z-axis can go at an angle of 45 degree with the z-axis. So the value of phi starting with the positive z-axis can go up to 45 degrees. So phi is in between 0 and 45 degree or pi by 4. These three ranges for rho, theta and phi form the bounds for a triple integral. So we can find the volume of this solid by looking at the triple integral.